Here's your premium post-market report for the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures for October 1st, 2013. Today we had a drop right into that 3180 level. We actually had a key level down there, and we had 3200 and 3195 have been big time levels, right? I've been talking about those levels for some time. We've had key upside and downside targets. In this case, we opened up Sunday evening at 3211.50 and immediately dropped into 3200 and consolidated. From there, we got the break down below 3200, retested it, and then got a huge sell-off into our key level down below, which is actually 3183. That level was hit along with 3180, and we got the big program buys that led to a huge recovery back to 3220, which has been in play the last week plus. So right now, we have a very nice reversal. We're currently trading 32.23 which is just a tick off the high of the day. And if you look at a daily chart here, and we can bring up the continuous contract, you can see the NQ has been the strongest of any of these E-minis. And you know, while the NQ was sitting here consolidating, the rest of the E-minis were dropping big time. In August, this one held firm, eventually led the break to the upside and was trading at all-time highs, or year-to-date highs rather, while the others were still trying to catch up. And still, even in the face of this pullback, this one continues to hold up very, very nicely. I did mention before that I would like to see a push down into 3150, which would likely offer a significant buying opportunity heading into you know, a fall rally. But right now, 3150 would be a great idea to buy, and then 3100 would also be a great spot to buy. But right now, you see the strength already coming in off those 3200s. We'll see how this keeps up heading into the end of the week. But looking at today's trading, with the current high of the day at 32.23 half, the low at 32 or 31. Let's see what that was. 78 quarter. That gives us weekly bull targets to watch here at 32.29.75. So we've already reversed big time because we had a very small range of movement here. But 29.75 is the primary weekly target, and we're very close to reaching that already. That's how significant of a day and reversal that was today. Additionally, 32.47 would be the full range target. So there's still some upside left here. 25 more points to the upside, perhaps. On the downside, 31.71.75. So 31.71.75 is the primary downside target. And if we get past that one, then the full range target is 54.60 for the week here. So our primary upside objective is very, very close already in the NQ. And if this thing gets going even higher, we could be looking at 32.47, which is the full range weekly target. That's all for now. We'll see how this plays out.